Welcome to another video. For today, we are going to answer the set of questions from 21 to 25 of Metrobank MTAP Math Challenge 2019 Elimination Round for Grade 9, and I hope you will learn something from this video. On number 21, the quadratic function f of x equals ax squared plus bx plus c has zeros, negative 2 and 4, and its graph has vertex 1 and negative 18. Find the constant a. So the first thing that we're going to do to find the value of a is to identify the equation written in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c. And in order for us to do that, let us have x equals negative 2 and x equals 4. So if you're going to move negative 2 to the side of x, it will be x plus 2. And this one is x minus 4. And if you are going to multiply this one, we have x times x, that is x squared. And then x multiplied by negative 4, that is negative 4x. And then 2 times x, that is 2x. And then 2 multiplied by negative 4, that is negative 8. So to simplify, x squared minus 4x, or 2x rather, because negative 4x plus 2x, that is negative 2x minus 8 equals to 0. So this one is written in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c. So let me write a times x squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So this will be a times x squared minus 2x minus 8 equals to 0. And since we have the given vertex, that is 1 and negative 18, so this will be h and k, we are going to compare the value of k in this equation to the given vertex. So to find the value of k, let's have c minus b squared over 4a. So the value of c in this equation is negative 8. And then b, that is negative 2, raised by 2 over 4 times the value of a, that is 1. So to simplify, we have negative 8 minus negative 2 squared, that is 4, over 4. Let us rewrite negative 8. Negative 4 divided by 4, that is negative 1. So the value of k here is negative 9. Now, since the value of k is negative 9, what must be the value or number that we are going to multiply in order for us to get negative 18? So that is negative 9 multiplied by 2, that is negative 18. So therefore, the value of a is positive 2. So this will be our answer. So if you want to check if your answer is correct, let us have 2 times x squared minus 2x minus 8, and then 2x squared minus 4x minus 16. And using this equation, if you are going to find the value of k, you are going to have negative 18. And if you are going to find the value of h, you are going to have positive 1. So therefore, our answer is 2. And this will be our answer. On number 22, the graph of y equals x squared minus 3 is shifted 3 units to the right and 7 units down. Find the corresponding quadratic function in the form of y equals ax squared plus bx plus c for the resulting graph. Since we have the equation y equals x squared minus 3, and if you are going to identify the vertex of this equation, this will be 0 and negative 3. So this will be the value of h and the value of k. Now, since in our given we have 3 units to the right, whenever you have a unit shifted to the right or to the left, this will be add or subtract to the value of h. So if you have 0 here, and 3 units to the right, that is positive 3. And then 7 units down, whenever you have up and down, this will be add or subtract to the value of k. So if you have negative 3, 7 units down will be negative 7. And then, to simplify, the value of h is 0 plus 3, that is 3. And the value of k, that is negative 3, and negative 7, that is negative 10. So this will be the value of h and k. So using the vertex, we can now easily write our equation in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c. So let us have y equals a times x minus h squared plus k. So the value of a is 1. So we are not going to write that. That is x minus h, that is 3 square, then k, that is negative 10. So to simplify, x multiplied by itself, that is x square, and then x multiplied by negative 3, that is negative 3x times the constant 2, that is negative 6x. Negative 3 multiplied by itself, that is positive 9 minus 10. So our answer will be y equals x squared minus 6x. 9 minus 10, that is negative 1. And this will be our answer. On number 23, find the largest possible product of two numbers if the sum of the first and twice the second is 12. So how can we answer this question? So let us have the sum of the first and twice the second is 12, and that will be x plus 2y equals 12. So the first number will be x and the second number will be y, and that is x plus 2y equals 12. Now, to find the largest possible product of two numbers, let us set a numbers for x and y to be substituted in this equation to make it 12. So let's say, for example, the value of x is 2 and the value of y is 5. If you are going to substitute x and y, we are going to have 12. And then, let's say we have 4. What must be the value of y if x is 4 to make it 12? So that is 4. Another, let's have 6. What must be the value of y if x is 6 to make it 12? That is 3. Also, let's have 8 as x and y as 2. And then 10. And the value of y will be 1. So if you are going to substitute these values of x and these values of y, you are going to have 12 in this equation. Now, let us identify the product of this number. 2 multiplied by 5, that is 10. 4 times 4 is 16. 6 times 3, that is 18. And then 8 times 2, that is 16. 10 times 1, that is 10. So now the question here, find the largest possible product of two numbers. So the largest possible product is 18. So therefore, our answer is 18. On number 24, suppose y varies directly as x. If y is 7 when x is 4, find x when y is 28. So to find the value of x, let us determine first the equation. Since we have y varies directly as x, that is y equals kx. So let us find first the value of k using the first set of given. So y will be 7 and x will be 4, that is 4k. Let us divide this one by 4. So the value of k will be 7 over 4. And then, let us have y equals kx. So the value of y will be 28. We are looking for x, and the value of k will be 7 over 4 x. So let us multiply 4 by 28. Let's have 28 over 4 equals 7x. Let us divide this one by 7. Let us cancel this one. So 28 divided by 7, that is 4. And 4 times 4, that is 16. And the value of x is 16. And this will be our answer. For number 25, suppose r varies directly as the square of s and inversely as t if r is 4 when s is 3 and t is 6. Find r when s is 6 and t is 4. So to find the value of r, let us have the equation that is r equals k varies directly as the square of s, that is s square, inversely as t. So let us find first the value of k using the first set of given. So r will be 4, and then s will be 3, that is 3 square, and then k over t, that is 6. So let us have 4 equals 3 square, that is 9, k over 6. So we can cancel 9 and 6. So therefore, 9 becomes 3 and 6 becomes 2. It will give us 2 multiplied by 4, that is 8, equals 3k. We are going to divide both sides by 3. So the value of k, that is 8 over 3. And let us use this one to find the value of r. So let us have r equals k s square over t. So let us have the value of k, that is 8 over t, or 3. And then s, that is 6 square, over the value of t, that is 4. So let us have 8 over 3, and then 6 square, that is 36, over 4. So let us divide 36 by 3. So it will give us 8, and then 36 divided by 3, that is 12 over 4. So 12 divided by 4, that is 3, and 8 times 3, that is 24. So this will be the value of r. So I hope you will learn from this lesson. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless us all.